So welcome students. In this question you are given that a rectangular parallelepiped is formed by drawing planes parallel to the coordinate planes through this point and this point. That is, if you have a point 2, 3 and 5, you have drawn 3 planes through this which are parallel to the coordinate planes. And from 597, something like this. So from the point 597, you have drawn again 3 planes parallel to the coordinate planes. If that is so, what is the diagonal of the plane? What is the diagonal of the parallelepiped which is formed? So very clearly, the length of the parallelepiped is nothing but the difference between the x coordinates of this. The breadth is the difference between the y coordinates. The height is the difference between the z coordinates. And you can also see that the join of these 2 points is nothing but the diagonal of the cube. So the diagonal is nothing but root of 5 minus 2 whole square, 3 square, plus 9 minus 3 whole square, which is 6 square, plus 7 minus 5 whole square is 2 square. That is equal to root of 36 plus 9 plus 4. That is equal to root of 49, 7 units. So the diagonal of this parallelepiped is 7 units. Thank you.